Petty Fam. Vlogmas Day 3, the Royal Family. They're building their home. They found their land.
Yay.
How nice.
How exciting.
So we're literally trying to do a photo shoot, and Legend is giving us a very hard time. We literally shooting with a phone.
This is a beautiful house that we're in, by the way.
Got a beautiful house. We're gonna try to get these shots done. You know what I'm saying, before Legend start tripping again. There you go. Let's do it.
Aww.
I mean, can the vlogger walk away?
I know. Ew.
Take it all the way down.
Yeah, Legend. He has chocolate all over his shirt. His cookies.
T-shirt, you turn around.
This kid is crazy.
On the bus, go up and down, all through town. Driver on the bus, go move on back, move on back, move on back. Driver on the bus, go move on back, all through the town.
Okay, Queen.
Okay, I'm sorry, I ain't gonna do that. I ain't gonna do
Come on, just
I could have got sugar cookies if you wouldn't have stayed.
that. You know you want to.
Yeah.
Get your cookie.
Yeah.
Oh, he wanna feed Dada.
Aww.
Aw, CJ.
look right here, right quick. Look at it.
Jimmy Jam.
That thing at the bottom, he said, I'm ready.
Alright, guys, so we just got here. We're about to look at the land. You know what I'm saying?
First of all, this is the next morning after our photo shoot last night.
Very tired. Queen woke me up today. I was exhausted. I barely could even see. You know what I'm saying? I put anything on. And we rushed over here, dropped the kids off, and rushed over here to see this land. Right now, we're waiting for Lee. And then when Lee gets here, we're gonna be able to show y'all the land we're looking at and like the piece of land we.
Super nice area too. If you guys could just see the background. I don't want to show too much, but it's such a beautiful
We're like Florida back there, right there.
area.
Oh, it
super dope.
does.
And like the houses are so futuristic. Well, not futuristic, but you know,
Modern.
very modern. What we wanted, and we're gonna build our house just like it. So we're gonna show y'all this land, and yeah, y'all look like if you just look around.
Look at that.
That's nice.
Look at that one though, right there.
Oh, I like.
That is
Yeah.
fire. Like I'm trying to have something like that, but we want flat tops. We don't want we don't want the top of our roof to look like that. We just want it straight flat. Yeah, we want a boxy, like more modern house. We're looking at this land, all this land right there, y'all. Next to that house, so we have all of that, all of this space, and we go like way back.
Yeah, I heard somebody say 1.5 or 1.6 acres.
A lot of you guys don't know, but I'm still very mad at Lee. I'm upset with her.
What she
She
do?
told me she was coming to my house like maybe 2 days ago in the morning. She said she was coming. I said, okay. I wanted to know when she was going to come. Soon as I leave to get a Christmas tree, Lee says she pulls up at my house. I said, you didn't even tell me you was coming. So I said, wait, just stay there. I'm gonna get, shut up. I don't want to know. I don't want to hear it. I don't want to hear it. And nigga, I don't know you shut up. So I'm still mad at you.
Spicy today.
Secondly, I told her, okay, Lee, stay there. I said, stay there. I'm gonna get the kids from school. I'm gonna drop them off to you, and then I'm gonna come back. I'll be back. It's not my fault. It's his fault over there. Clarence's fault. Standing right there. You see him? Yeah, you see him? It's his fault.
This is
Soon as I come back to the house with the Christmas tree, I don't care.
Oh, not 2 hours, Queen.
I know it's 2 hours.
I'm still really mad.
She gonna fight
Come on, let's
Lee.
fight.
Don't do that.
Don't do it.
I don't care. I'm still mad at you, and you fake.
Oh!
Me.
She gonna look soon as I got back to
2
the house. All right,
hours?
I'm leaving. She was putting on her shoes like I was like, you don't spend time with me, like you haven't seen me the
You
longest.
should have came home earlier. I was upset with you.
Blame your brother. Blame your brother. All right, you guys, we're here. We're going to find the scorpion.
Stop.
Oh, it's a scorpion.
What's she
Yeah,
looking
what
for?
is a scorpion?
A scorpion.
What's a sign?
You only gonna find it if it bites you.
She said she finding a Scorpio, but then she
Oh.
found a
This is
Scorpion.
basically, we're standing on the land. We're about
And
to
then Claire
purchase.
had to say, that's a
Wait, where you
sign.
going?
Yeah,
She
right.
say, oh.
I'm just like taking the bait.
Child, it's gonna sting you and you gonna know it's there.
Yeah.
You.
Right now, I'm in delivery. You know what I'm saying?
Trust the process, y'all.
Trust the process. Right now, it doesn't look like. You know what I'm saying? I'm pretty sure 60 years ago, the Lakers didn't look like the Lakers.
This is a good, yeah, this is a good land. Hey, is it enough for us to have a basketball court in the back?
Hey, this is bigger than the last thing we seen.
Oh, okay.
I'm not trying to walk all the way back there. I'm not gonna
Now
lie.
you have on those big, heavy-duty Balenciagas. You can walk back there.
I'm scared of snakes.
Ain't no place back there, is it?
And Scorpios.
Scorpios.
I'm tripping right now.
Uh-oh.
Oh, wait.
Oh shit.
Never mind.
You better
Right
run.
there.
Stop.
I mean, why aren't you upset? It's your brother. Why is it
Because
just
I had the conversation with you. Clarence didn't promise me he'll be back.
Uh-oh.
Clarence said that he wants to go to public.
Yeah, I didn't even know that was the thing. If you would have told me that, I probably could have made that happen.
And I was on the phone
This is
with
what
her,
I'm
and I
saying.
said,
You under the bus, Queen. If Clarence promised
But I would have dropped you off or something.
Clarence didn't tell me that, so I'm
I
angry
didn't.
at you.
I didn't say that.
That's
Yeah.
why.
Yeah.
You over here angry at me.
Nah, I'm not gonna lie.
Angry at you.
I'm not gonna lie. Women love to do that though. They love to be angry when a nigga already angry. Like you can't be angry at a nigga that's angry.
Ain't the one that was angry.
No, but Lee's saying she's the one that should be originally angry, so you're not allowed to be angry.
No, you're not. He gonna take his sister side.
Probably like Queen. Why'd you speak up at all? You acting like it was all.
This is every day. This is every day
She
with
dubbed my call. I called. She knew she was
Yeah, I
running
make you
late.
no more lasagna.
She said, I'm gonna make you make it.
She's cut off with the lasagna.
Oh, you owe me money. She said, man, lasagna. That made me even more mad. That's why I said, I told Mo, I said, the minute she walk in here, I'm out.
Oh. Uh-oh.
You did not call me. I'm looking at my
I
calls right
called
now.
you like 5 minutes before you walked in the door.
Why she standing like that?
Sound like she really gonna fight. Don't be standing like that, Queen.
Will Billy.
Oh,
Is that? What is that?
that's poo, girl.
I'm just poking. All right, you guys. I think.
Why are you going away from your family?
Girl.
Yo, I hear a goat.
And you can't run in them Uggs?
Here we go. Oh, snaps.
Queen.
There's gonna be something on the branch.
Right.
This land is yours.
Stop.
This land is
Stop.
Why you gotta squat to sing it to us? What she got her phone on?
Look.
She got her phone on a small tree.
Her phone sitting on the
rock.
stump.
Great.
Stop. Stop. You know what? She didn't
Bring it
remix
down.
it. She
That's
she
gonna be on her next album.
remixed it.
Yeah, I was going crazy.
I think this is the land, y'all.
I think this is it.
I think that we've actually been here 2 more times, right? To look at land.
Yeah.
And both times we just still wasn't fully sold. But we're sold today
Yeah, I think the location's
because we don't want to drive another 35 minutes. So yeah, this is a perfect location. It's in a ducked off area. Actually, I don't even want to build a house. I just want her to live here. Let's just come grab all of her
She gonna
She
camp.
gonna have y'all a TV.
Camp.
in a kid
Nature.
tent.
Look at
Don't be
Lee.
rolling your eyes over there.
Yeah, look at Lee's
Listen,
face.
I ain't gonna visit you if ain't no house.
At least we can come have a party out here if it's our land.
Yeah, which kind of words we have somewhere to go?
That's some inches right there.
Don't get dizzy.
How was I to know you was gonna leave?
Not again! Y'all squash that!
Oh, Claire.
Right now, I kind of
I
feel like.
showed up because
kinda
I
feel
wanted
like-
to see you and the kids. You said, can you stay with the kids? Run over there. So I was okay all the way up until you took 2 hours. Even if you took 30 minutes, I would have been like, all right,
so are you dragging it?
I looked at my phone, 5:45, you dropped the kids off.
Time flew.
And
Time
7:45, you walked
Time
the door
flew.
after ignoring my FaceTime.
They went to get something to eat,
flying.
Lee.
Time be flying.
I went to go get a Christmas tree, and it had ornaments.
Yeah.
So we went to Target to try to find some ornaments.
Yeah.
They didn't have ornaments there. But we could have went home.
But we also didn't
We
have
could've went home.
water. You know what I'm saying?
But Clarence, your brother, he
Yeah.
wanted some water. He
But
wanted
you
some
have to
food.
leave Clarence out of it because I was communicating with
Yeah, I
him.
didn't know anything
Uh-oh.
about that. But
Clarence.
I kind of feel like I'm the manager right now, and there.
Okay,
This is Clarence.
okay,
This
but
is
you
Clarence the
didn't
Queen.
communicate with me.
How you gonna do
My
that?
surprise,
Yeah.
I'm sitting on the couch
You just hug it out.
and
Hug it out.
and I'm like,
Yeah, he came to get the camera. 'cause
where
he
the
had a
hell is
mom.
Clarence?
Bad move, Mike. Bad move, Mike. You're supposed to go to the
And then
garage.
he left.
Right.
Okay, left.
You're supposed to
And
go
I
to the garage,
And I
Mike.
said, Mike, where's Queen and Clarence? He's
Bad.
like, oh, I don't know. They went somewhere else. I'm like,
Mike. So it's Mike's fault.
You
It's Mike.
didn't call me like you said.
I did call you Queen 5:45.
He like, I can't even leave Arlene.
Right.
And you didn't answer. And
They
5
gotta
minutes
argue.
later, you walk in the door.
You know, I just feel like your new friends are taking my place.
Ooh. Lee got new
Did it
friends.
not sound like a relationship? She said, I'm doing things for me.
She wants some me time.
I'm with
She wants
Claire.
some me time.
I'm doing a lot.
Lee need me time.
She said, I gotta do something.
Why can't Lee have friends?
Right.
Mama need friends too. Mama got a life.
Right.
I don't like that. So you doing that?
She said, I don't like it.
Go do something.
What did you say? I don't know because you just been really focused lately. You plans about to go eat.
Wait,
Would invited you, but you got things to do.
Ooh.
you have to do an acoustic performance between here.
Alright, y'all. So after our
Lee know what her schedule is before she do.
journey, whatever.
Little home journey.
Yeah, little land journey.
Dream home journey.
Yeah,
That's what it's called.
y'all, as y'all can see, we decided on buying that land, so we're gonna get a contract for that. But we decided to come get something to eat because Cracker Barrel was around the corner, and I love Cracker Barrel. They got the best pancakes, crisp around the edges.
Comment right now if you guys think what's better, Waffle House or Cracker Barrel?
Definitely Cracker Barrel. It gives like more of a homey feel. And Waffle House just got waffles. Like they should have pancakes too.
That's really good eggs.
Yeah, their eggs are good.
I really like their
And
eggs.
their sausage.
Yeah,
Thank you.
they do have the best sausage.
Yeah, they have some good sausage, yeah. We
Thank you
gotta
so
figure out
much.
what we want to eat. I know I want breakfast for a fact.
Can we get 2 minutes?
Yeah, just 2. Come back to 2. Anyway, we're trying to find out what to eat, y'all. So y'all just sit here with us. And then, yeah.
Yeah, wasn't that land perfect though?
It was. I like that. The view and the other houses.
Cul-de-sac.
Yeah.
Mama's pancake slice. I want pancakes, eggs, sausage, hash browns, and biscuits and gravy.
Yeah, look at the brothers.
Cheering and cheering. That's so
Okay.
cute.
He want to stretch his legs out like his brothers.
For you, even numbers out of 5. They are 0, 2, 4, 6, and 8. Even numbers all share 1.
Guys, so I look bright as heck. Here, you hold it. I want you to look brighter than me.
Like bright. Alright, yeah, so we're home. We just settled in. The kids is upstairs learning. We about to end this video right here because we're gonna get ready to put up the Christmas tree. You know what I'm saying? So get ready.
What are you doing? Please stop.
It's gonna be Christmas tree.
Okay.
I was just in the bathroom. I was just being sexy.
Why'd she say it like that?
For the Christmas tree.
Stop.
I'm glad they end the video because Queen need to take a nap.
The next video gonna be the
Y'all old Betty fam know what the nap
Or
means.
it might be something else, but I don't know. So, yeah, let's,
you know.
I'm tired, but I don't know.
See?
Look.
What I tell you?
No, we don't gotta do it tonight. We just gotta get this the area ready
Right.
to have a Christmas tree in it. You know what I mean?
Right, so the gifts under there. Oh, speaking of gifts, someone's birthday is coming up very soon, y'all.
Ew, his
Yeah.
birthday.
So why did you bring that up when we're talking about gifts?
Because you said gifts, and I just know that, you know
So
what I'm saying?
you-
My baby bought me a Birkin.
You
So
have gifts?
Duh.
Check it out.
He bought me a Birkin, so you already know how I'm coming.
How you coming? You coming crazy?
You know, I just know that
Just
you
call her
bought me a
Santa.
Birkin. That's all you need to know. And you know, I have to, you know, come with it for my baby. So I got some drip.
Still smiling.
Nice stuff.
Some drip.
Niggas ass
What's
changing.
drip?
Huh?
What's drip then?
Oh, baby.
supposed to
what's
tell
funny
you?
about Queen? Queen's like a little kid because she's been hitting at it for like 4 days, like it's her birthday coming
Because
up.
I'm excited.
She's trying to like
And
rub it in.
I can't wait to just like get, you know, dressed up with you to see you smile.
He's
He's
sleepy all of a
smiling
sudden.
now.
Right, he just got he's need a nap
You know what
now.
I'm saying? My birthday is coming up. You know what I'm saying?
That's gonna
Make
be
sure.
Happy pre-birthday.
You're so lucky.
Early
You need a
birthday.
Christmas. You ain't getting Christmas and birthday gifts.
Wait.
You
No,
that's
don't do
violation,
that.
That's violation.
No, he need a birthday gift and a. Don't combine it.
Petty fan call the
Don't
file.
combine it.
That's a gift.
Do you-
Two
do you
gifts.
get two-
Right. Tell her.
First of all, your mom birthday is not December, so that's different.
So that don't matter.
Right.
I don't know.
December birthday babies, y'all comment whether y'all want a Christmas gift and a birthday gift. You cannot combine them for
No.
December babies.
You
No.
cannot.
Subscribe with them post notifications.
Get your two gifts, boo.
Get your 2 gifts, Claire. Queen, you know you gonna get that boy the 2 gifts.
Right.
Like,
Comment,
comment,
subscribe, share if you care, click the bell and become part of the Noto Squad.
Queen gonna come through. I have confidence in
Yeah,
her.
it's gonna be good.
Petty, I've been winning steady. Petty, 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 petty,